Young kid, why you bugging on my mind? Everybody, everybody, everybody go to hell. Young kid, why you bugging on my mind? Everybody, everybody, everybody go to hell. Young kid, you begging for a thing. Running after, on the cover, here we go. Young kid, you begging for a thing. Running after, after money.
Pen 'em up, red dab pen and some needlepoint. Now let's flip a coin. Where do I go tonight? My failure denies my kryptonite. No refill. This life doesn't come with a sequel. Might die by a needle. Dilated pupils. I try to stay tranquil, but bitches are deceitful. So I ain't peaceful. Diabolical individual. Tired of it all. I fucking hate people. Whoever shot up my whip, you missed. Sorry, I still exist. Even when I'm shooting up dope, motherfucker, I don't miss. Nice try, yippee-ki-yay, touche. I also wanna be more Tay, long gone like the fucks I once gave. I know you wanna see me die, but I wanna be the one taking my life. I'm rocking, do not resuscitate. Uno reverse card, my overdose any day. People will say bad things happen in threes until they meet me. As I piss, I'm sipping at a 4D. In chaos is opportunity. You should know that I'm the hell spot. Epitome of Murphy's Law. Engulfing alcohol like the crack of dawn. No one will miss me when I'm gone. I'ma die young. LSD tabs underneath my tongue. Taking hits from the bong. Going out like Chris Farley. If he was introverted and unfunny. Fuck a filter. I'm a blunt motherfucker. I'ma tell you how it is. Never a sugarcoater. Fuck euphemisms. You're a cunt. That's an aphorism. Belligerent. Prime example.